What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So I know I missed my video yesterday, but don't worry because we're going to do it right now. It's Saturday morning, and last night I just felt like crap, guys. I'll be honest. I'm not sick or anything. Maybe I'm a little sick. I don't know. But my allergies were just unbelievable to the point where my eyes were running, my nose was crap, and I literally couldn't film. And even now I'm struggling a little bit. I feel a lot better, but even now I'm struggling a little bit. So if I mess some words up, if I sound like a moron, guys, just know my allergies are awful and we're going to get the video done. Either way, we're going to break down some stocks, charts, all that good stuff. So sit back, relax, take a sip of your coffee, hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure to get your free money from Moomoo, up to 5 free shares of stock, each up to $3,500, and you get 5 stocks from Webull as well. Use those links down below. Get your money, and with that being said, let's get into it. So yesterday was a freaking unbelievable day in the stock market. We had a very big bounce back day. The NASDAQ ended up closing up 3.7%. We had the Russell up over 3%. The S&P went up 2.4%. And we had the Dow Jones go up, not as much as the others, but still it went up about 1.5%. As we had the VIX down 9%. Now the VIX is back under 30. And we have gold roughly at $18.10 an ounce. It went down 0.8%. And we had silver down about silver went up. Silver went up 1.8% or 1.7% on the day. And if you guys are watching crypto, last I checked this morning, guys, obviously the stock market is closed on the weekends, but crypto continues to go on, and hopefully one day, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you want the stock market to be open all week, or do you like this 5-day schedule? I don't know. I'm kind of back and forth on it because sometimes on the weekends I just like forgetting about the markets, doing other things. Obviously, I still think about the markets and stocks and all that good stuff, but it's nice to have a little bit of a break. What do you guys think? Stock market all day, 7 days a week, or 5 days the way it is now? But anyway, crypto's open all week, right? All day, all week. And right now, last I checked, it was down a lot. I checked about an hour ago, and everything's pretty much in free fall again. Let me check right now. My phone is on the charger, so I do have to stretch my arm out. So let's see what's going on here. Coinbase, Bitcoin is down when I'm filming this, 7%. It's sitting at 28.6. Ethereum's down 8%. It is under 2,000 a coin. We have XRP right around 40 cents, down 12% on the day. Everything is getting destroyed, and I bet Dogecoin's got to be at 5 cents, right? 8 cents. All right, it's at 0.084, so it's at 8.5 cents roughly. So the markets are getting destroyed, right? The entire crypto market right now is down about 7.8%. It is a bloodbath. So crypto's not looking good. And I'm not sure what crypto did yesterday during the day. I'm assuming it did see a bit of a bounce back with the stock market, but overall, crypto's now falling, which means, are we going to get red in the market, stock market on Monday? I'd say it's too early to tell. Crypto's very volatile. It could easily be green by Monday. So let's focus on yesterday. Yesterday was a great day, Friday, right? Big bounce back day in the market. SPY ended up going all the way above $401 a share. If you guys take a look, we just recently hit 385. That was on Thursday, I believe. So we went from 385 on Thursday to $401. We rallied 4.4% on SPY from that low to where it closed yesterday on Friday. And Triple Q in that same time period, let's pull that up. This went from 284 on Thursday, and it closed at 301.90, pretty much at 302, which is a move of almost 6%, guys. Big move for Triple Q. And obviously, a lot of tech stocks, guys, crushed it yesterday. We had some ridiculous bounce backs that we got to talk about later in this video, so make sure you all stick on throughout. And one thing I'm noticing here, one thing worth mentioning is on the 4-hour chart, like I said, we had a nice bounce back day for SPY, or in SPY and Triple Q. The overall markets yesterday, they did well. Triple Q is now right at the 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and it's right by one of my alerts, it seems like, that I have set here. That alert is right around 300. Is it at $308? Let's see here. I'm not really seeing it. Why is it not showing me? Oh, yeah, there it is, 305, 310. Okay, I have two alerts, one at 305, one at 310. And for this upcoming week, that's what I'm going to be watching, 305, 310, right by that 50 SMA, guys, because listen, if we end up breaking that point on Triple Q, we are in store for an extended rally, probably back to that 180 moving average, whether it's, at 320, 325, maybe up to 330. That is where I do believe this could end up going. So set your alerts. I'm telling you, we close right under that 50 SMA on the 4-hour. If we break, I think we're going to continue this rally. And pulling up SPY, it's the same thing, right? SPY ended up closing right under that 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart. I have my alert set at 405, 415. If we do break 405, which is right by that 50 SMA, this, in my opinion, is going to go to 415, followed by 430, 425, 430, which is right by the 180 moving average and that double top resistance from the end of April, early May. That is where I think this could end up going. So we had a nice bounce yesterday, solid. Let's see if this could continue or if it's just a bull trap, guys, which I guess time will tell. What do you guys think? Drop me a comment. Let me know. Do you guys think this rally is legitimate? Is it a bull trap? Is it one that you're buying into? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And make sure, if you haven't done so already, smash that like button and subscribe and get your free money from Moomoo, up to 5 free shares of stock, each up to $3,500, and 5 shares from Webull. Use those links down below. And with that being said, let's talk about some stocks, because we had a lot of movers in the markets yesterday. We had some big movers. So let's get into it. First and foremost, if we're looking at the top of my watch list here, holy crap, we had Voyager, and mind you, a lot of these, like I said, a lot of these are small cap, high growth, unprofitable companies. And like I said in my videos, guys, when we get sharp rallies in the markets, sharp bounce back, V-shaped recovery rallies, what bounces back the most? The small cap, the beaten down, the unprofitable, the high growth companies. Those are the ones that bounce back the most. I mean, look, the proof is in the pudding. We had Voyager go up 32% yesterday. We had Beyond Meat go up 25% yesterday. We had SoFi bounce back 20%, which, if you guys have looked at SoFi, this stock has been on a rampage. And yes, it is still on a downtrend on the 4-hour chart. In fact, all of these stocks are. Literally all of them are still in a downtrend. But if you look at the 5-day on SoFi, when this hit 480 a couple days ago after their earnings leaked, it hit 480. It's gone to 680. It's gone up 40% from that point just 3-4 days ago. I mean, these stocks bounce back unbelievably when we do have a little bit of green in the markets, which that's what we just got, right? We even have stocks like Las Vegas Sands. Las Vegas Sands went up 15% on the day. I mean, complete breakout on this 5-day chart. Let's see this 20-day chart. Even on the 20-day chart, now it's trading above both moving averages after being under them just a day ago, so that's good. And on the 4-hour chart, I'm assuming, yeah, it's still downtrending, but if LVS starts breaking out, excuse me, guys, of let's say $36.50, $37, this could be a huge turnaround spot for the stock, considering even though it's ran up a lot just in the past day, it is still oversold. It is still oversold. So I'm going to set my alert for LVS. Mark is at or above $37 a share. And I think Wynn Resorts, let's pull that up. This also bounced back pretty aggressively yesterday. Wynn Resorts went up 13% on the day, closed right at a critical spot. If you guys take a look here, this is a level I drew a couple of days ago, right around 65, 66 bucks. It's right by the 50 moving average, and it is right by the support, the bottom from the middle of March of 22. And from the end of April, we bottomed at about 66, 65. So that's where we are now. Bulls need to break through this. And if they do, if bulls get above, let's say, 67, 67.50, I'll put my alert right there right now. If that point breaks, I think 60, or honestly, above 60 is where we're going. 72, 73, right by that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. That is where I think Wynn Resorts could be going. We also had a lot of the electric vehicle, clean energy, whatever you want to call it. These plays did well as well yesterday. Enphase went up about 11, 12%. Although it's still in a downtrend technically. We do have a death cross. We're under the moving averages. It still went up despite that. Let me show you guys the head and shoulders that I'm also seeing right now on Enphase. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it, guys. Come on. There we go. Left shoulder head, right shoulder. So if this needs, or if this wants to break out, it needs to break out of the neckline, which as of now, the neckline of this head and shoulders is a lot higher than where it is right now. It's right around 185, 190. So if we start breaking, let's just say 180 in general, that is where Enphase could really start gaining steam. So I'm going to set my alert. Mark is at or above $180 on Enphase. We also had Lucid do very well yesterday. 15% green day for Lucid. I don't think there's any news. Around Lucid. It's just going up with the overall markets because it was very beaten down. I mean, look, Lucid just hit $13.25 just 2 days ago, and now it's at $18 just in a day or two. It ripped from 13 to 18. We're talking, what is that, 50%? Almost. I mean, that is an almost 50% move. 40%. All right, pretty close. 40, 50%. It's amazing regardless. Kind of like what we saw with SoFi from that huge rally it saw from the bottom. And it's not only these small caps, these smaller companies, higher growth, speculative companies that did well yesterday. I mean, all these big tech names did well as well. Amazon went up 6% on the day. Facebook went up 4%. Apple had a great day, 3.2%. We had Google, my favorite, up 3%. What's the other one? Microsoft, MSFT went up 2.3%. Okay, not the best out of the big tech, but still pretty solid. Anything over 2% in a day for big tech in my book is great. I mean, that's fantastic. We had what other ones? Netflix, NFLX. Netflix went up. I don't know if you'd consider this. I guess it is technically big tech still, but I don't know. I mean, it's not. I don't think it should be part of FANG anymore, but who am I to judge? Anyway, Netflix went up 8% on the day. So a lot of these did very well. Even Nike 5% on the day. CRM, Salesforce up over 4%, Visa up 2.7%, Intel, which I personally own a little bit of Intel, it went up 2% on the day, and my only two stocks that were red, guys, were literally two stocks, Amgen and Laboratory Corp, I think is what this one's called. Yeah, I'm just going to throw this off my watch list. I don't even know why. I was watching it a couple months ago, but the chart looks like crap now. So I'm going to throw LH off. But Amgen, I'm going to keep on my watch list. This chart still looks pretty good in my opinion. I do think Amgen over the next couple of days, maybe 2 weeks, couple of weeks, I don't know. I do think it could end up going towards that 250 plus mark. Let's see what else here. We had Nvidia up 9.5% on the day. Let's pop up that chart and see kind of what this is looking like. Oh, it's in a downtrend like all these other stocks for the most part, guys, other than Amgen. I guess Amgen didn't do well on Friday, but the chart still looks pretty good. Nvidia, although it did go up 10%, the chart does not look good. It is under both moving averages still, and if we do get some sort of extended rally in the markets, Nvidia is going to be one that's going to rip heavily. It's definitely going to outpace the move to the upside that the market makes. Just keep that in mind. If we do end up breaking 180, 185, Nvidia could make a move towards 215, 220 in a market rally, no doubt in my mind. We had Coinbase go up 15% on the day. What was that? Actually, no, 16%. Got to give it the extra percentage point, guys. Got to give it some credit there. Coinbase 16% on the green day. We had Alibaba. Let's pull that up. Alibaba went up about 8.5%. So you guys get the point. I mean, I'm not going to read off every single stock on my watch list. You guys get the point, and my ThinkOrSwim is actually freezing right now. So I guess that's a good time to end off the video. You get the point. We had a very nice green day. Pretty much all the stocks went up, but you got to realize a lot of these stocks, the majority of them are still well within a downtrend, right, on the 4-hour time frame. So you got to keep that in mind. We're not breaking out fully. We're not getting a massive reversal yet. We're just simply getting the start of a potential longer relief rally. And if it ends up not being a relief rally at the end of the day, we did get some sort of bounce back. And, I guess that's better than nothing, right? But I do believe, again, if SPY breaks 405, if Triple Q breaks, let's say, what is it again, 305 or something like that, 310, that is where we could get that extended relief rally. But just being honest, being open, being real with you guys, we're not there yet. So I'm not going to BS you guys. We're not there yet. So set your alerts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and get yourself some free money from Moo. All you got to do is use that link down below, deposit at least $100, and just like that, you get up to 5 free shares of stock, each up to $3,500. And if you deposit at least $2,000, you get a free share of Twitter, guaranteed. Use that Moo link down below and get your 5 stocks from Webull, also linked down below. And if you want, join my Patreon. If you want all my buy, sells, call outs, all that good stuff is linked down below as well. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Peace out.